Hey class, so what I'm going to do is show you guys how to add Chrome extensions. There's a couple that you would be good to have, but for this particular one, I'm going to show you how to add Edpuzzle, and then I will show you a couple of helpful um, extensions that will help you as far as you're working for class. But the only one we're going to work on today is for Edpuzzle. There's a couple of ways to add Chrome extensions. So the first one, you can click on the App Store up here. You're going to go to the Web Store, and then it's going to say extensions, and then you're going to type in the search. So you're going to search for the Chrome extension you're looking for. The other way to do it, if we go back, if you don't have the little App Store button up here in your extension, then you're going to type in Google Chrome extensions, and then you're going to click on the first thing, of course, and you're right back in the same place. All right, so now that we're at extensions, that's what we're looking for. We're going to type in Edpuzzle, and there it is there. So Edpuzzle, you're going to type that in. And then you're going to, and see, I already added it. So mine says rate it, but yours is going to say add to Chrome. And then once you add to Chrome, it's going to ask you about permissions. Of course, you're going to say allow. Make sure you're doing this under, so this one, it's added under, I added under all my accounts. So this one's added under my other teacher email account, which is not connected to the school. So you want to make sure up here in the where it has little settings, you want to make sure your drop down says your school email. Okay, so you want to make sure you're adding it to the right Chrome extension account. So make sure you're adding it there. It should populate for all of your Chrome, but you know, we know that computers can be kind of funny. So you want to make sure you're under the right one. So see, it is under my school account, but you want to make sure that it is. So I would say make sure when you do this, you start off making sure that it's under your school account. You're going to add it. So let's say if I was going to add this one, which I'm not, but if I was going to add this one, you're just going to add to Chrome. It's going to ask you about permissions and all of that. You're going to click allow, and then what's going to happen is you're going to get the little extension up here in the corner. So it has your extensions here. Your Edpuzzle extension is this little puzzle piece looking item right here. Okay, so then it's going to add it. So whenever you go to Edpuzzle, it'll be a lot easier for you to use it, and you won't have as many issues with signing in and all of those things. Okay, so if you have any questions other than that, please let me know. In the future, I will show you how to add some of the extensions for being able to read easier online, as well as one that actually reads things for you and has a dictionary attached to it. So I will show you guys those later. And if you have any other questions, make sure you email me, hit me on Remind, or hit me on Instagram, and I will talk to you later.